Let's take a look at number 2, multiplying decimals. All right. Exercise 4N, number 2. So number 2 says, so start to write. Please write this down as I'm writing. Get your pencils, your pen, and your notebook, your exercise book. Start to write. 261. Okay. Times 54. So these are whole numbers here. 261 times 54. 2 whole numbers is equal to another whole number, which is 14,000. All right. As you can see, the book has a little space to give the place value for thousands. 0, hundreds, and 94. 14,094. Okay, so please take that down. So as you can see, no decimal places. So whole numbers alone. 261 times 54 is equal to 14,094. So the book says so. So that must be true. Now, for part A now, so please copy this down. Part A, we have to find what is 2.61 times 2.61 times 5.4 equal. So let's count the number of decimal places, because as you can see, these 2.61 times 5.4 have the same sequence of numbers. 261, 261, 54, 54. Also, the answer must have 14094. Okay, the answer must have that 14094. But how many decimal places? So let's start to count. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let's count. In the answer must have 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 14.094. Okay, very simple. Let's do part B. So write with me. 26.1 times 5.4. 5.4 equal. So 26154. 26154. So the answer must have 14094. Now we have to count the number of decimal places in 26.1 times 5.4. 1, 2 decimal places. So the answer must have 1, 2. Make sure you make a decimal place first before you count. All right. So if we don't count in here, that's 0, 1, 2. So the answer is 140.94. Okay, let's do C. C is 261 times 0.54. 0.54 equal. So again, because we have 261 and we have a 54, so the answer must have 14094 in that sequence. But how many decimal places? So 261 have no decimal places, but 0.54 have 1, 2 decimal places. So the answer will have 1, 2 decimal places. Okay, so 140.94. And let's do D now. So write with me. D is 26.1. So write this down. 26.1 times, all right, 26.1 times 0.54. Okay, that's D. 0.54 equal. Again, the answer has 261, 261, 5454. So the answer must have 14094 in the answer. So you just have to count the decimal places. 1, 2, 3. So the answer must have 1, 2, 3 decimal places. Okay, so just remember, if you know the product of the whole numbers, the product of the decimals using the same sequence of numbers in the whole numbers, you can just count the number of decimal places. But you must have the first answer for the whole number, the product of the whole numbers first. Okay? And from there, it's just counting the number of decimal places, as you can see. Okay, so practice this for E to H. Okay, just count the number of decimal places and proceed. Okay, so here we go, E. So just continue. All right, E is 0.261, 0.261 times 54, 54 equal. Okay, so you know the answer 14094. So count the number of decimal places. The answer must have 14094. Count the number of decimal places so that you can, you know, find your final answer. Okay, I'm waiting. Did someone say 1, 2, 3? Correct. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So continue with the rest.